Hi, my name is Max, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing, at least attempting to do, 15 practice problems every single day, ranging from all difficulties and all problems throughout the Society of Actuaries exam FM for financial mathematics. I am just going to essentially learn myself by teaching you guys. I'm going to do my best ability. I'm not a teacher, so it's not quality, but I'm going to try my best. So first, I have a problem for the premium discount bonds. So I will put up a picture of the problem right now. Bam! Alright, so an investor pays $962.92 for a 10-year bond of annual coupons rate paid 8% semi-annually. So that's a lot of information. Let's just write some down. There's two ways of solving this. I'm going to do it this way, and if you guys are interested in a different way, I can do another video. So first off, our price is 900 and what did it say? 962.92. Coupons, a 10-year bond paid semi-annually. So N is 10 times 2, so it's 20 because it is semi-annual coupons. Coupon rate, so we have R equals 8% paid semi-annually, so divide that by 2. So our R is 4%, our coupon rate. Alright, continuing, we have an annual nominal yield rate of 10% convertible semi-annually. So it's nominal, that's not good when you convert it to effective. And to match it, since it's convertible semi-annually, that's an easy fix. So our I is, in the problem given to us, 10%. Convertible semi-annually divided by 2, easy 5%. Alright, so given this formula that we have, the premium discount formula, this guy right here, it's kind of a plug and chug at this point. So we are going to have one unknown, C, at the very end. Well, first off, we don't know, we can't assume that the par is 1,000 because it doesn't specify in the problem. It could be any amount at all. It could be $1, it could be $1 million. I don't know. But one thing we can do, what we can assume, is that the face amount is equal to the redemption amount because it didn't state otherwise in the problem. So one assumption we can do is F equals C. And that's kind of important for this problem. With that assumption, we can change the formula a little bit. So we have F is equal to C, and we can kind of, I guess, boot it out. So bear with me for a second. So I'm going to change the formula to this. So P equals C plus C times quantity of R minus I times A angle N. So that's kind of the direction I'm going with. So now we have one unknown, which is the redemption amount, which then we can work with later. So now I'm just going to plug and chug. So our price is 962.92 equals C plus, we are going to do C times R, which is our 4%, so 0.04, minus our I, is 5%, 0.05, times A angle N. So A angle N is 20, remember from over here, and it's 20 because 10 times 2, semi-annual. 20 at 5% because that's at our interest rate. Alright, so now we kind of just need to do that. So, get our handy dandy calculator. Can you see that okay in the video? Yeah, we're chilling. Alright, so we are going to use our time value TVM. Remember to do second clear time value, so if all the values are nice and clean for us. So for N, you can do 20 and then enter for N. So I'll write it down for you guys. So TVM, so N equals 20 I over y equals 5%. Remember, in these calculators, don't put it in as 0.05, just put 5 and then click I. It's kind of backwards from any other calculator, but very important to do that on this calculator. Our payment, we can set equal to 1. Our future value equal to 0. And then we have our last option, we need to compute the present value. Alright, let's see what we get. So n is 20, 5 is I, payment is 1, future value is 0, compute present value, which is a negative 12.46. Awesome sauce. So now that is that. So now we have, let me, do I have my eraser somewhere? Ah, here it is. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna make some room for us. I just got this whiteboard and I need to mount it on my wall. Right now it's kind of standing on this thing, so I need to be a little cautious that I don't make it fall down. Oh man, I'm sorry. As these videos go on, let me get a lot better at, I guess, production wise. I'm mainly doing this for myself, but it'll be fun to kind of create a following along the way. Alright, cool. And I still have the value here. So we have the present value. Okay, we're good. So we have 962.92 equals C plus C times 0.01, because that minus that is 0.01, negative 0.01. Gotta remember that. That's where I get in trouble. And we're going to take the positive value from our TVM, which is our 12.46. 12.46. And then, yeah, we have one unknown. So I'm going to save us some time. And you can use calculations here. I'll make sure you're practicing. Our C is equal to 1100. If you do the math. Multiply those together and then divide over and you'll get 1100. So now, going back to our premium discount, what was asking in the question in the problem, let me pull it up again. We want to calculate the discount for this purchase. So we can do, I believe it's P minus C. No, C minus P. C minus P equals, that's a P. So we have 1100 minus the original price that we've been using all along, 962.92, and that equals our final answer of 137.08, right? Yep, you can round to 137, and that is our final answer. Awesome. Now, since I didn't do 14 others today, I will be doing those tomorrow, so be on the lookout for those. And thank you for tuning into my first video.